Hi, I'm Sandhya. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are preparing Oats Kozhakattai. This is a nice option for weight loss diet as well as for breakfast. The ingredients list required for this dish is given in the description box below. Before we move into the video, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell, and also like, share and comment. So to begin with, I've placed a kadai on fire, poured some coconut oil into it, and it's nice and hot. Into it goes mustard seed, urad dal and Asafoetida. Once the mustard splutters and the urad dal browns, we'll add in the curry leaves. Now let's add in finely chopped green chillies. Saute it for a minute and then pour in 3/4 cup of water. Now we'll bring this water to a boil. I'm adding salt to taste into the water. And now bring the temperature to low. In goes 1 cup of oats. I've used quick cooking oats here. Mix everything together and let the oats absorb all the water. Now we can add in grated coconut. This is optional, you can add it for extra flavor. Now keep mixing this for 1 minute until the oats becomes nice and sticky. Now let's switch off the fire and let the mixture cool completely. So the mixture is cooled nicely and I've greased my palms with some oil. We'll take a bit of the dough and press it in your palm like that, so that your finger makes indentation in the dough like this. These are called kozhakattais. You can roll them into balls as well. So all the kozhakattais are ready. I've put them on a steamer basket and placed it inside a kadai filled with water. Now we'll cover it and cook this for 4 to 5 minutes. You can use an idli steamer also to make the kozhakattais. Once done, serve them hot with some chutney. So do try this recipe at home and let me know in the comment section. I'll see you next time with a new video. Until then, bye bye.